want to play, he should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call with a fish.
Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat!
With a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Do I like this? Oh, no, I do not. I will pick up the book. Let's see something new. I call them thing 1 and thing 2. They are to be so tasty and popular. They will give you some fun on this wet day.
No! Not in the house!
So the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites in a house! They should not! Your mother is near! Go as fast as you can. Think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thing 1 and thing 2.
Dear, you did not like our games. What a shame. What a shame.
So deep and so full, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another quick trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?